Changing your bank account on Saba Cloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information efficiently. Step 1. Log into Saba Cloud. Access the Saba Cloud platform by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Payment Information or Bank Account Details. Click on this option to proceed to the Bank Account Management section. Step 4. Update bank account details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new bank account information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully updated. Make sure to log out after completing the process to maintain your account's security. Following these steps will help you change your bank account on Saba Cloud with ease.